Hi guys, today we're going to review the performance of S24 Plus for gaming. So when it comes to gaming, ita-test natin. We'll test the Antutu and some mobile games right now, mga games ngayon, dito sa Philippines or around the world. So without further ado, let's go and proceed. So here we go. We have here a titanium gray or gray S24 Plus. So it has a sleek design, aluminum armor na ang kanyang metal, but we'll focus on the gaming side. So we'll check the performance. By the way, here we go. This is the Antutu score or benchmark. So you can see it has 1.6 million or 1,664,184 points. And we target on the GPU side, ang GPU score niya is 612,000, which is a lot compare sa mga previous model like S23 or S23 Plus, which is around nasa 400,000 lang yan compare. So 612,177 is mataas yung score niyan, no? Pagdating sa GPU. CPU 433 when it comes to processes, memory reading 327,000, and then ang UX or user interface process when it comes to the system is 290,000. So yan ang actual as of the moment November 24, 2024 real-time score ng S24 Plus. So when it comes to gaming, first game of course Mobile Legends. So sa settings niya, so right now sa settings niya is naka high frame rate and then ultra graphics. So when it comes to the graphics ng Mobile Legends, kayang-kaya niya naman yan. And sobrang smooth. So maabot to ng pag naka-high frame rates ka, nasa 60 FPS. So hindi pa masyadong compatible yung 120 dito sa S24 Plus. But when it comes to the graphics naman, kayang-kaya niya naman ang ML. So smooth transition ng mga kanyang galaw at FPS, no? So sa mga collector skins, sa mga collector skins, walang lag. So dyan mo makikita yung performance when it comes to gaming. So maganda naman siya. So when it comes to Mobile Legends, it's well performing. Actually, it's an overkill nga for Mobile Legends, no? So good siya when it comes to gaming for ML. Second game natin na currently marami naglalaro is ang The Ragnarok. So when it comes to The Ragnarok, 2D lang naman to. So, but pag marami na kasing player, when there's a lot of player tends to lag sa mga middle range phones. But this is considered flagship na kasi guys. So pag flagship na yung games mo, dapat kayanin niya yung mga kahit maraming graphics na nangyayari in the background. But when it comes to Ragnarok, no? So maganda yung sound, maganda yung graphics. So ayan siya. So napaka-smooth naman niya when it comes to Ragnarok gaming, guys. So, dito naman wala namang settings ang Ragnarok kung 60 FPS. Automatic na detect niya ang settings sa device mo. So yan, smooth ang gaming when it comes to Ragnarok Mobile or the Ragnarok games. So, magandang graphics niya, walang lag. Diba? So, sustain din yung performance niya kasi may vapor chamber na improve ang S24 Plus. So, napakaganda ng kanyang gaming performance. Ayan. Okay, so that's about it guys. Yan ang performance ngayon, real time. 1.6M sa Antutu score. When it comes to gaming naman, maaasahan mo na magandang performance na papakita ng S24 Plus. So right now, ito is magandang driver na. So thank you so much for watching guys. So again, yan ang Antutu score, 1.6 million. So keep watching guys and subscribe. Thank you for watching this tech review ng S24 Plus for gaming. Thank you.